Hello everyone, my name is Ashton and I'm an educator here at the Virginia Aquarium. And today we're going to be doing a couple of really cool science experiments that you can easily do with some items that you have at home. So for the first experiment that we're going to do, all you need is a shallow bowl and some water. And one thing that we know about water is that the molecules in water like to stick together. So that's one thing that you need. The next thing that you need is some handy dandy hairspray. You could easily find this in your mom's medicine cabinet maybe. And then some pepper from your kitchen. So one thing that we know about pepper is that it is hydrophobic, which means that it doesn't like water. So that's why when you sprinkle pepper into a solution like water, it doesn't mix in with the water. Sort of the pepper flakes like to hang out on top or on the sides. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some pepper into our bowl here in the water. So most of the pepper likes to kind of hang out on the surface. And then for our second item, our hairspray. Something that we learned about hairspray is that it likes to break up those water molecules. So I wonder what would happen if we put the hairspray into our water. And the reason you put pepper in there is so that you can watch the water move. So let's see what happens. So you can try this with your finger. You could put the hairspray on your finger, or you can use a Q-tip. So I'm just gonna start by putting some hairspray on a Q-tip. All right, so now we're gonna see what happens when we stick this Q-tip in the water. Are you ready? So you can see the pepper start to move around a little bit. I think we need some more hairspray. I'm gonna go ahead and directly spray it into the bowl. Let's see what happens. Pretty cool, huh? So you could see that the hairspray was breaking up the water a little bit and the pepper was running away. All right, we're gonna explore this concept a little bit further with a couple of other ingredients that you might be able to find in your kitchen. So I have another bowl here. And for this next one, we're gonna be using some milk, some dish soap, and some food coloring. So one thing that we know about milk is that it has lots of fat in the milk. I'm just gonna pour some into our bowl here. So this experiment works best if you have a higher fat content of milk, like whole milk or 2% milk. I actually only had skim milk, so that's what we're gonna be using, but it should still work. And just for some fun, we're gonna add some colors here. And you can just drop colors around your bowl. Do some blue and some green. All right, cool. All right, so for our next ingredient, we're gonna use some dish soap. And the reason that dish soap works when we clean dishes, especially like greasy dishes, is because it breaks down fats. So we learned that milk has fat in it and that soap likes to break down fat. So we're gonna see what happens when we put some soap in the milk with our food coloring. Again, you can use a Q-tip or your finger. I'm just gonna put a little soap onto this Q-tip here. Alrighty. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. So cool. So you can see the soap is starting to break down those fats in the milk, and the milk is running away from my Q-tip, and it's creating kind of a cool color. So you should try this at home with some different colors you might have. Also with our pepper experiment over here, we used hairspray. I wonder what would happen if you used something else, like soap. Those are just some things that you could try in your own kitchen or bathroom. Have fun! My name is Ashton. I'm an educator here at the Virginia Aquarium. Thanks for joining us.